guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isha and I make videos about fashion, styling, lifestyle and much more. If you guys are new here, yeah, now you know me. My name is Isha. Alright, so I'm back again today after such a long time. I was like missing in action since like last 1 month. I don't know why. Sometimes that's my mood. Sometimes when I don't, like, my videos don't do much better, don't grow. I don't know, like I feel so depressed. Yes, but then what we have to do, we have to get up and gather ourselves again and start making videos again. You can see my whole makeup, my whole face is full of makeup. I've done everything, but there's only one thing which is left. Might be you guys are noticing or not, but now here, that's my eyebrows. Yes, I've done all the makeup. I'm using green eyeshadow today and I am totally loving this. It's summertime, it's gonna be lit and we're gonna enjoy all the colorful eyeshadows. But for today, we're gonna test and review eyebrow product, which is wax, eyebrow wax, and that is this. Ta-da! Anastasia's Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Wax. So I've heard about this a lot, so I always wanted to try this. Yeah, that's the packaging, and it's a clear brow gel. It's kind of a wax, and you use spoolie brush to set your eyebrows here. So as I was saying, my eyebrow hairs are like in really bad relationship with me. First of all, my eyebrows were like really good back then, but now they are like getting thinner day by day. So I always overfill them with pencil, all the time, so they look a little bit of fuller. And my hair, they never stays up. They always go down after some time whenever I, just do my eyebrows and everything. So I thought, let's try this one. If this is gonna do a miracle to my eyebrows and they're gonna stay, up all day, that's gonna be a game changer. So we're gonna test it now. As you can see, all the makeup is done. Just eyebrows are left, so I'm gonna do this. So this is how it looks. It's totally a clear gel. This sort of brush, this is like spoolie brush, so I'm gonna use this. And generally I use this for, I've tried soap brows before, so I've used this with that. Now we're gonna try with this. So what they say, you're gonna take a little bit of product from this, as much I think so. And I'm gonna take this behind the cap on top of this. I'm always confused like how I'm gonna do this. So should I fill my brows first and then apply this wax? But let's apply this first and then we'll think about it. We'll see what is better. But this time you're gonna fill them first. So you see, like even I'm like brushing them upwards, they're not gonna go anywhere. They're not going anywhere. They're gonna stay there where they are, and that is like literally annoying for me. Alright, so we're gonna take this gel now on the spoolie. I think I took a lot of product, but whatever. It's gonna help. It's like this. I'm gonna brush it upwards, I'm trying to pick all the hair of my eyebrow. Okay. Oh my god. This is good. This is working, okay? So let's do it again. Second. I'm trying to pick all the hair upwards, so that there is a huge difference. Oh my god, my eyebrows are like damn lifted. So let's just finish this and then I'm gonna give it a shape, and then it's gonna stay. We're gonna fill it later on. I never tried this sort of product before, so I am kind of beginner in this too. Not an expert at all. I think this is it. I think I'm using a lot of product. I think so. Whew. Really nice, but I don't know, I've never done this. I feel I'm looking like really weird, but you know, we all should be open to try new products. Let me fill my eyebrows now with my you know, regular eyebrow pencil. That is my Benefit eyebrow pencil, which I love actually. And from this side, this is how it looks. I think this is looking better than this one. Like after filling a little bit, I haven't used so many strokes, but a little bit, you know, because I don't want to make any mistake here. Clean a little bit from up here with a Q-tip, and we'll show you the final look. This is how my eyebrows look for now. And yeah, I did my hair. I didn't do much, but yeah, I'm liking this way. And yeah, I am totally loving this look. But I'm gonna get back after 3 or 4 hours, like after all evening when I'm out, and I'm gonna share the final results, if it's gonna stay there or not, and if it is approved or not. So I'll be back. And I was like out there, it was raining and everything. It was like really bad, and you know, I was so scared that my makeup gonna drench, but it's still intact, a little bit dead, but yeah. So this is the situation of my eyebrows right now. Even after like going through rain and everything, I feel it works really good, you know. It is still, if I show you, still up there. It's like, it's obviously it lost its shape a little bit. It's a little bit downward, but it's not that bad, and I am very much satisfied with this. So yeah, I totally recommend this product, and yeah, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use it every day, I think so. And I am like totally loving my new, you know, eyebrow look as well, like this uplifting eyebrows. I'm really liking this. At least they are into their shape, they are not like thin. I am very much tired. I'm kind of dead right now, so I'm just gonna go change, clean my face, and sleep. I'll see you guys for the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Much love.